starting a brand new Sons of the Forest world. Here we go. I'm just gonna do normal because I'm not that good at this game. Sorry guys, I'm a little sick right now. My voice might sound a little weird. Alright, here we go. Any second now. Any second. Alright. For any of you that haven't seen this, I'm just gonna keep it on. Keep the cutscene going. Puffton. Oh, Kelvin.
Blasting over from 500 feet below ground. 7 months ago. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Oh, sorry. Fish eye. Why is there already a tree falling? No, Kelvin. Oh, he's dead. Come on, wake up. God, this scene takes forever. I just want to get into it. Alright, good stuff so far. No. Stop, why is it taking things out every time I pick it up? 2, and 1. Alright. If I'm correct, there is a weapon over here that I can pick up. There, Kelvin, come on. Yeah. I think it's like the... Oh, here it is, yeah. Stun stick. This thing's really good against the cannibals. Alright. We should probably find a place to stay for the night. Let me put this in 4. And I get a spear. Put that in 3. Alright, should be good. Where's Kelvin? Why is Kelvin over there? Kelvin? Oh, here he is. Come on, follow me. Let's get to it. So we should just find a temporary base spot for now. Ooh. So I'm really only used to playing in multiplayer worlds, so if I'm a little jumpy, I'm sorry for that. Oh, there's a little camp right here. That's cool. Solar panel. Ooh, a pot. I didn't think I would get that so early. I'd like literally just spawn. Alright. Seems to me like there's a cannibal camp in here. Judging by all the effigies around. Alright. I want to find a cannibal camp. I should probably make a bow and arrow though. I need to kill a bird for that. Where am I right now? Ooh, okay, I can get the pistol. I need to get to the beach though. Come on, Kelvin. So once we get the pistol, we should be alright. But ammo's gonna be a problem. Okay. I'm just making sure there's no cannibal camps around here. Because I don't want to get jumped out of nowhere. Okay. Here's the coast right here. I feel like I should make, like, when I get like a full-on base, I should make it right near a river. That just seems logical to me. But first I gotta find a good enough spot. Alright, there's the lifeboat over there. Kelvin, I'm gonna Tell Kelvin to... Why are you running, Kelvin? Oh, I thought he saw muddy or something. Alright, and there is like a camp, or like a dead guy right over here who has some bullets for us. Yep, there he is. We got one of those. That's not good. Alright, so I'm gonna save before I go in the water in case the shark decides to attack me. Kelvin, do me a favor. Actually, hold up. I gotta put down the shelter. This is where I want to sleep for tonight. Because it's gonna get dark soon. Get this thing right here. Kelvin? You just finish that for me, okay? Yeah, you got that, right? Yeah, you're good. So, I'm just gonna make a temporary shelter while he does that. So I can save before. Just gotta, yep. Save. Okay. Oh, hold up. Damn it. Oh, turtle, I need that. Oh, eggs! Yes! Yes! Good? Perfect. You got eggs? Oh, he had eggs. Can I eat these things? Oh, yeah, I just ate that. Alright, perfect. I'm gonna go get that pistol. Nice, easily swing. See, oh, there it is. Okay, I'm probably dead. Please don't kill me. Alright, perfect. Alright. Got him. No, I don't. Here we go. I think there's more than one though, so. Alright, let's get that. So far, so good. You never know. Ah, I'm good. never gotten more smooth. Oh, that's Kelvin. Wait, is it? Yeah, that's Kelvin. Alright, we're good. Alright, let's save again. Perfect. What? What's up, Kelvin? Oh, more logs. Nice, Kelvin. Sorry about the coughing. I just need one more log. And the cannibals aren't really hostile towards me yet, so I should be okay. So hopefully I don't get disturbed in the night. Alright. I'm gonna get one of these trees right here. So it'll fall right where I need it to. Trees in this game are so good. Perfect. Now I need rocks. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Should be more than enough. Two sticks is crazy. Right, give me this stick back. I don't think those things can break. Nope. There we go. Kill him. We don't need any more logs. It's finished. Alright. I'm just gonna save again since I got a new thing. Kelvin. Alright, we'll wait for Kelvin to get back. I'm gonna build a fire. Oh, never mind, those sticks. I don't know why I pulled that out. I keep doing that. I just need 2 sticks. 2. Oh. That's not good. Come on, kill him. Yeah, yeah. Follow me, kill him. Let's go back. What time is it? 14. Okay, it's like about 2:30. So we got some time until night falls. I don't even need that. I don't know why I keep bringing that out. Alright. I'm gonna cook this meat. Because I need some food. Oh yeah, feel free to take some, Kelvin. Then I'm gonna go get some water up by that stream, because I don't want to go thirsty. Oh, turtle. I'm gonna go kill another turtle. Oh, one hit. Some more meat. Oh, turtle hit. Hey, no, 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 get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Get away. Alright, just cook the rest of this. Alright. Ah, I'm so stupid. Move. Alright, meat's done. Now, Kelvin, you just maintain base for me. Yeah, you got it. I'm gonna go get some water. Nope, wait, hold on. Set the fire. Make sure Kelvin's nice and toasty. I hope there's a golf cart nearby, because I want to get around fast. I do know where a lot of the good stuff is, you know, like weapons, guns. I know where a lot of that stuff is. So I'm gonna be doing that a lot. Although I've never been in a cave alone, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Alright, we got a pretty good loadout so far. Bring this back. I gotta get the grapple gun soon though, because that's a must-have. So guys, I'm gonna keep these videos between 30 minutes to an hour. I don't want to keep them too long because, you know, I can't really make that long videos. But I hope you guys like this content. And I hope there are actually people watching. So I think with this I'm gonna make some, oh no, I can't make eggnog. I'm gonna make some boiled meat. I'm gonna make a bow and arrow. Well, that's not boiled. This. Oh, I need sticks. Kelvin. Hey, where you going? No, 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 no. Not that. No, no, no. Kelvin, come back. Hey, get back. A lot of sticks go, okay? Oh, I get more feathers, yes. I did not know you could do that. Oh, even more. Ah, I think that's all the feathers. Oh, snipes. Yes, it's done. More feathers. You can never have too many feathers. Nope. Sniped. I'm just murdering these seagulls. Alright. I can make a bow and arrow, thanks to Kelvin. What do I need for a bow? Okay. Now, stone arrows. Okay. Feathers and some stones. The stone arrows are not good, but I don't have anything else, so it's the best I'm gonna get. Alright, it's getting... The sun's going... Oh. Sun's going down. Finally, I hit one of those. Takes my spear back, thank you very much. I cannot stop doing that, can I? Jeez. I killed way too many of these seagulls. I'm gonna stop. So the only camp I can see near here is that one over there. Thank you, Kelvin. Your service is greatly appreciated. I'm gonna build more arrows. Should be enough. So this is gonna go in 5. Alright, yeah, the sun's starting to go down. Kelvin, you can stop getting sticks now. Hey, Kelvin. Kelvin. Just follow me. Just, yeah, come on. Fire's still going strong. I just really hope I don't lure any cannibals to me. Alright, any minute now it should be getting dark. I don't really know what to do until then, but... I missed some stuff here. Ooh, oysters, yes. I don't think I have anything. Oh, can I make a sticky bomb? I don't have coins, I can't. Alright, Kelvin, you gotta stay here. Alright, I'm gonna go to sleep once it gets totally dark. Me and Kelvin are just gonna chill here. I really want to, but I really shouldn't, because there's really no point. This island is so beautiful, so terrifying at the same time. Sorry. Any minute, any second actually, 'cause Oh crap. I'm gonna go get some more firewood. Kelvin is sitting in the fire. Nope, nope, nope. I don't want... Okay, hold on. Just put that there. Perfect. Alright. I think it's adequate to go to bed at this point. Oh! I made it through the night. I really did not expect that. Alright guys, so that's episode 1. I don't know how many episodes I'm gonna do of this, just until I die, I guess. But thank you for watching. And I will see you next time.